Hi guys, and what's up today? And today I'll be showing you my origami models. And if you want more on tutorials like these, how to make omega star, how to make origami swan, as I can see as you can see here, I've got a origami swan. As this swan, I have made it from 500 3D origami units. If you want to learn how to make 3D origami units, let's also check the link in the bio, as I'll be uploading daily content on origami just like this. And if you want to learn how to make origami swan, I will upload it soon. I haven't uploaded it yet because it's a very big model. Need a lot of time to show you how I have made it. So for now, I have made a tutorial on omega star and also 80 different models tutorials, which you can look in the bio, as I'll be uploading daily content. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow my Instagram account. Guys, if you want more kind of like these models, guys, please follow me and stay with me and stay happy, because I'll be uploading a lot of different kind of models. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.